With Samsung Smart Switch, you can move over your photos, messages, and other data to your new Galaxy in a few easy steps. Search your apps for Smart Switch and tap the icon. If this is your first time using Smart Switch, you will need to accept the terms of service. Tap Continue. Smart Switch needs these permissions to transfer your data. Tap Allow. On the old phone, tap Send Data, and then tap Cable. On the new phone, tap Receive Data. Tap Galaxy/Android, and then tap Cable. With your devices fully charged, connect the phones with your USB charging cable. On the sending phone, Allow access to your data will pop up. Tap Allow. Smart Switch will begin scanning the old phone for transferable content. After the scan, select the data you want transferred to the new phone. If the displayed transfer time is longer than an hour, you may want to use a wireless transfer, so both phones can be charged during the process. When you are ready to start, tap Next. To transfer your Samsung or Google account to your new phone, unlock your old phone and tap Copy. When finished, tap Go to the home screen and tap Close on the old phone. Your photos, videos, messages, contacts, and more all have a brand new home.